Welcome to Home Screen. And if you want to fix not registered on network on your Samsung, first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your settings into your device. Now here, just simply scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to see here General Management. So tap on it, and from here you should be able to see Reset. Now from here you should be able to see Reset and Network Settings. Now, guys, remember before you proceed with this that it will delete everything. Like if you're connected on a Wi-Fi, you will be logged out, and same thing with mobile data and Bluetooth. And from here, just simply tap on reset settings and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, guys, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and press the power button on your phone around 5 seconds and just simply restart your device and tap on restart. Now, if it still doesn't work, guys, you can just simply go ahead and just simply remove your SIM card and reinsert it back in and make sure that it is properly aligned to fix the issue, and just simply restart your device if needed, and from there you might fix and from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you have any problems, guys, just simply comment down below and I will answer them all and find solutions for you. And make sure to subscribe to my channel to support me. Thanks for watching.